नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं दैनिक साथी हरियाणा। साथियों, एक कहावत है जो हम अपनी दिनचर्या में देखते हैं, सुनते हैं, वही हम आत्मसात कर लेते हैं, खासकर बाल्यकाल में। इसी के चलते महापुरुषों ने भी अच्छे लोगों की संगत में रहने पर बल दिया है। इस आधुनिक काल में हर कोई पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चे को आईआईटी व एम्स में भेजने के लिए दिन रात बच्चों पर मेहनत कर रहा है। इसी सपने को साकार करने में जुटा हुआ है रेवाड़ी में सन सिटी स्थित श्री चैतन्य टेक्नो स्कूल। ऐसा हम यूं ही नहीं कह रहे हैं, इसकी बड़ी वजह भी है, क्योंकि इस स्कूल में कक्षा 6 से ही बच्चों का आधार मजबूत करने पर काम जो शुरू कर दिया जाता है। इसी के चलते पाठ्यक्रम भी टेक्नो बनाया गया है। यह प्रमाणित तब हो गया जब छोटी छोटी कक्षाओं के बच्चों ने सब्जेक्ट एक्सपो में देश की सबसे बड़ी समस्या सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट से लेकर तमाम ज्वलंत मसलों पर अपने प्रोजेक्ट बनाए। नॉलेज ऐसी की जैसे साइंटिस्ट से बात कर रहे हो। अब आपको दिखाते हैं इन तमाम बच्चों ने अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स को लेकर क्या कहा, वहीं प्रिंसिपल ने क्या जवाब दिया।
क्या नाम आपका?
जानवी।
कौन सी क्लास?
6।
आज आपने किस तरह में एक्सपेरिमेंट?
हमने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अराउंड अस। Electricity follows series and parallel circuits. In series, the different electrical equipments have joined into one circuit and controlling switch. In parallel circuit, all the electrical equipment have their own circuits and controlling switch. When it will be a night time, that if the light is gone, then in night time automatic night light will help us to see. Automatic night light is also a type of circuit, but it has two things in addition: LDR and NPN. LDR is light dependent resistor. Whenever light falls on LDR, the resistance decreases. That's why the current will not flow through it, hence the bulb will not glow. But whenever the light decreases, its resistance increases. So the current will easily flow through the switches and the bulb will glow. The same process, the same method is used in street lights. This was the brief description of our project. I hope you liked our project. Thank you.
स्कूल में आप पढ़ते हैं, इसमें और क्या क्या सिखाया जाता है अपने स्कूल में? किस तरह की पढ़ाई होती है, किस तरह का वो है?
जो हमारा we are studying in a brilliant school. It just not only focuses on NCERT, but it focuses on child's overall development. It has few different methods of studying. We have NCERT, that all school teaches, but we also have some syllabus of techno, in which the techno syllabus is that in NCERT we get in suddenly it in 11th and 12th class, but in Sri Chaitanya Techno School we get it from starting from 6th, 7th and 8th. We do it little by little until 11th and 12th we get it learned perfectly. It does not only focuses on studies but also in cultural events and sports events, because they know that only studying is not necessary, but everything is important in a perfect amount. So I am very glad to study in this wonderful school. Good morning, sir. Today I, Mahi,
And I, Avika.
of grade 6 are here to present a working model on wastewater treatment. As you know, India is having growing population and the wastage of water has also increased in the few decades.
Our aim is to reduce wastage of water and try to reuse the water by wastewater treatment. It means to clean dirty water to reuse it again. In this process, we pass water from
Gravel,
small stones, coal, sand and cotton, which help us to get rid of maximum
impurities. Many impurities cannot be seen by naked eyes. So this water is not for drinking or cooking. It can be used for domestic purpose like bathing and washing car, etc. Passing the water through gravel and big stone help us to get rid of the large impurities. Coal helps us to get rid of all the pollutants. Sand and cotton help us to get rid of all the thinner dust. Thank you, sir.
गुड आफ्टरनून।
क्या नाम है?
रचित मखीजा।
आज जो साइंस एग्जीबिशन में भाग लिया, क्या
सर हमने केमिस्ट्री के एक्सपेरिमेंट करे हैं मेनली।
केमिस्ट्री में हमने 4-5 एक्सपेरिमेंट करे हैं। उनमें से हमारा मेन स्नेक एक्सपेरिमेंट है, स्नेक ग्लू दिखा रहे हैं। एक हमारा केमिस्ट्री का चैमिलोन है और एक हमारा फ्लॉस है। फ्लॉस में सर हमने HCl ऐड करा है, पहले अराउंड 40 ml के आसपास हमने HCl ऐड करा है। उसके बाद सर हमने कॉपर क्लोराइड के कुछ पार्टिकल्स ऐड करे इसमें सर। ये फिर हमने सर एल्यूमिनियम फॉइल उसके अंदर ऐड करा है सर। ये एक एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन बन जाती है, एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन सर। उसके बाद फिर सर मैं कैसे बताऊँ, उसमें दिखाना पड़ेगा ना मैम। प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन है, इसकी सर ऑर्डर वेरी अनप्लीजेंट होती है और सर इसमें हमने एल्युमिनियम फॉइल ऐड करा है जिससे हीट रिलीज हुई है। फिर सर हमने उसके अंदर एल्युमिनियम फॉइल के बाद हमने ऊपर से फायर दिए तो वो एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन बहुत ही माइल्ड सेकंड्स में हुई है, जिसके कारण हमें फ्लेम्स विजिबल हुए हैं। थैंक यू।
श्रुति,
कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ती हैं?
10th।
आज जो SIS आई है इसमें आपके पास क्या पूरा एक्सपेरिमेंट करके दिखाया है?
हम वेस्ट वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट का एक्सपेरिमेंट करके दिखाने वाले हैं। एंड एज वी कैन सी इन दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट वी हैव लेड आउट अ picture of how wastewater can be created and how it can be treated in through various stages. As you can see, first the wastewater gets collected in this collection tank, then it moves up to big stones. Big stones trap all the big waste materials. Then it moves on to small chips of stones which traps even smaller of those waste materials. Then it moves on to sand, which traps even the microest of those waste materials. Then it moves on to charcoal. Charcoal is very useful for absorbing the contaminants. Then it moves on to the final stage, which is cotton. Cotton helps in filtering, absorbing and de-emulsifying the waste. Then we get pure water, which can be later used in various industrial applications and even in domestic applications like gardening or even car washing. Thank you.
इस तरह से आपने ये पूरा एक्सपेरिमेंट करा, ग्रुप के साथ किया और कौन किसमें शामिल है, किस तरह से?
We are 4 members in our group, like she is Aradhya, Saya, my name is Shruti, and this is Dhanvi. We have all contributed a very crucial part in making this, I guess, wonderful experiment of ours.
इस तरह के एक्सपेरिमेंट करने में कितना क्या टाइम समय लगा है?
It took us hardly 2 days or 3 days, we will say.
And I am from class 7th, is here to tell you some about the reaction of vinegar and baking soda. This is our baking soda. The chemical name was sodium bicarbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate. Formula is NaHCO3. This is our calcium hydroxide CaOH whole twice, lime water. This is vinegar CH3COOH. This is our holder to hold the test tube. This is our stand to support the test tube. This is our test tube to test something. This is our spatula to mix, and this is our stirrer, and this is our beaker to hold something. Now, in a test tube, we take some baking soda, NaHCO3, 2 times.
And use some of the vinegar.
And we use some of the vinegar
to have the reaction which have the product of CO2.
The evolution of gas is formed due to the CO2.
The bubble is representing CO2.
And then this is lime water. If we mix these both,
the reaction will be called neutral.
the reaction is the neutralization reaction, and we pause our reaction of lime water. You see the milkiness color of the lime water due to the presence of CO2. Today I am representing my Chandrayaan model. Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 is the India moon mission that comes after Chandrayaan 2. Chandrayaan 1 and the Chandrayaan 2 were failed by its machine mistakes. On July 14, 2023, the Chandrayaan 3 started its journey to space. Chandrayaan 3 got space using a big rocket called Launch Vehicle Mark 3. On 23 August 2023, Chandrayaan 3 gently landed on the moon. India became 4th country to land on the moon after US, China and Russia. The place where Vikram landed the Chandrayaan on moon, that point to the called now Shiv Shakti Point by PM Modi ji. The Vikram landed Chandrayaan 3 on 23 August, that day now called National Space Day. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Nabya from grade 5. My project is solar eclipse. What is eclipse? Eclipse. We know that the earth revolves around the sun in an orbit. At some point, the earth, the sun, the moon form in a straight line. An eclipse is an shadow casting by moon or the earth. Solar eclipse. In solar eclipse, the moon comes between the sun and the earth. And lunar eclipse. In lunar eclipse, the earth comes between the sun and the moon. Thank you. Good morning all of you. My name is Abhya. Today I am going to tell you about computer model. Computer is an electronic machine. It can perform both mathematical and logical operations. CPU is the brain of computer. Computer is a input device. Keyboard is a input device. Monitor is a output device. Speakers are output device. Thank you.
+5 -7 +6. Answer? Very good. One more question. 9 -8 +2 +5. Answer? Very good.
मैम आज साइंस एग्जीबिशन लगाया गया चैतन्य स्कूल में, क्या पूरा एग्जीबिशन?
Sir, this is Subject Expo. From Sri Chaitanya Techno School, we are conducting Subject Expo, which enhances the skills of the student. Subject Expo may not only, like generally today National Science Day, generally the exhibition part goes on science subjects, but ours is not like that. Our focus is on all the subjects, including languages, on its LSRW skills, even in English grammar, and a special course ours is abacus, in the abacus also. Even pre-primary, nursery, LKG, UKG, we are focusing on their speech skills, rhyming, skit, acting, enacting, so many areas. From nursery to 5th, we call it as K5 academics. K5 academics are a special curriculum by Sri Chaitanya, which is designed to enhance all category skills of the students on every corner, every area, on the child psychology, understanding levels, reading levels, and comprehending the things. So ours is a young learner program, one thing, and another thing is a Star Kids program. In this, from nursery onwards, we focus on like child development in understanding and activity based, which they learning by doing personally. So experiential learning is also a part of that. So we focus all these areas, and a child is having scope to learn in many areas, and within the school we give a very good care towards students, not only towards their academics part, also their safety, their health and hygiene, eating etiquettes and discipline, so many areas, everything we nurture the child in all aspects. Coming to nursery, LKG, UKG comes under Star Kids, then Young Learners program in primary, lower primary, first and second classes also. Our students, they are really doing very well, and implementation of the curriculum, we focus on most of the subjects, not only by teaching within the classroom but even outside, practically we'll make them to experience by doing. So this is another thing. And in upper primary, third, fourth, fifth, so our children are really like 2 years advanced, I can say. The third, fourth, fifth children are equivalent to middle school level knowledge they have, and they learn in that much, because after completion of fifth grade, when they enter into sixth grade, seventh grade, that area, when you compare with other students outside the schools, our children stands always first and almost 2 years advanced than other school children. So in that way, the curriculum is designed, and the way we make them learn, understand, and when they present the things, as you can see today's program, the level of primary kids, I think it is very rare that lower grade children are really able to perform in abacus level, that you can see the standard of the school. बच्चों को हम 6th क्लास से नॉर्मल CBSE एकेडमिक्स के साथ साथ IIT, JEE, नीट की तैयारी का बेसिक हम बनाते हैं. 10th के बाद जनरली एक कोचिंग तरह लेके एडिशनल कोर्सेज करके जो मेडिकल और नॉन मेडिकल की तैयारी करते हैं अदर कोर्सेज की, उसकी बेस हम 6th क्लास के शुरुआत करते हैं. इसमें एक OMR शीट से लेकर बच्चे जो एंट्रेंस लेवल, नेशनल लेवल, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन भी जो भी होते हैं, उसकी हर चीज़ की हम एक्सपीरियंस यहाँ करवाते कि बाहर जाके हमारे बच्चे जहाँ भी वो बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम हो, नहीं तो कोई एनी काइंड ऑफ नेशनल लेवल एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स, they are able to write confidently just because of our excellent curriculum. The curriculum itself, it is designed to make the children to experience, to understand, and they are already and always equivalent 2 years advanced than their class level. Suppose the student is studying in 7th class, when you compare, वो 9th क्लास के बच्चे के साथ साथ वो कंपेयर कर सकते हैं, इतना है, जब मैथमेटिक्स हो, साइंस हो, वॉट एवर सब्जेक्ट. एंड कमिंग टू द एग्जामिनेशन पैटर्न, even the child or the student, child and teacher also doesn't know what exactly they are getting, weekly paper or regular paper or annual paper. It is totally new to the students as well as to the teachers. So the revision part, our phase revision programs, whatever it may be, everything goes very well. Coming to board examination preparation, it is like a determination. They do with determination. Teachers' focus is completely 24/7. Teachers will be back of them to prepare them, to understand them. Though the child is sitting with 20% when the child is joining in the school, we will make them to develop every year almost with 40% of the development. So though the child enters in grade 10 with 20%, we are very sure and confident that we'll make them reach above 80%. And the upcoming results we are awaiting for 100 by 100 results, and we are confident about our preparation. And coming to the subject expo part, the slow learner who is learning theoretically and by writing in the book, when he is exhibiting something by explaining, the learning part will be completed. That is the main motto why we are conducting this science and subject expo, to nourish the child, to nurture the child, to encourage the child, and to motivate the child that no, I am not the slow learner, or I am not lagging behind with anything. I can also do. That confidence we want to build, we want to develop in the students. And Sri Chaitanya Techno School is which gives a big platform to learn every child and to grow, to achieve something in their life, and especially the confidence in learning subject. We are very happy today. All the parents are visiting, and you can also see the visuals of the students and the level of learning. Thank you so much.